Today, I'm still just waking up. I woke up at 8. What time is it now? 9:17. So we're going to be doing a day in the life of a braider. This is not my typical day because I usually have 2 appointments, but today I just have 1. And I get happy about 1 appointment because I get to either relax or do what I want to do in a day. So the first half of the day, I'm just going to be doing medium knotless braids on my first client. She is 12, so she's a younger girl. And yeah, I'm super excited about that. And I'm going to be filming some content on my phone for my Instagram page at Beauty Hair in LA. So yeah, it starts at 10 and I'm just going to eat some cereal and to maybe reply to another client that texted me this morning. And yeah, after that I'm definitely gonna work out because I need to get back in shape. Like, I'm 21 and this is not relevant to the day in the life, but I just want to let y'all know, like, if you're young, live young, so healthy and sexy and freaking amazing, because when you look back at your pictures, it's gonna make you want to continue to live that way. Like me, I can tell in my pictures I gained a lot of weight. Like, I gained 20 pounds. What the hell? Part of me was like, is this a part of my grown woman body? Like, am I officially grown into it? Like, the way I gain weight, it's nice. I gain weight in my butt and my thighs, but I can't fit my jeans anymore. So I'm just like, but yeah, so I'm just gonna get into the vlog and take y'all along with me. Hey guys, so we finished our appointment with the medium knotless braids. So my first thing that I do after is pretty much cleanup. That's like the #1 thing that I do. Then I usually eat at this point in time when I'm sitting down, but I'm hungry, but I'm not that hungry. And I also plan on working out for about 30 minutes. So I'm probably gonna eat after I burn some calories and then restore my energy after I eat, right? So yeah, I wanted to show you really quick how I make my reels. I'm gonna screen record on my phone, and yeah, let's just do that really quick. Okay. So I want to show you guys first what my reels look like. If you go to the reels, a lot of them say after in each one. Sometimes I mess up and they don't. So yeah, so I kind of want to keep it the same, like the same kind of content on my page. So that's what I'm going for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in CapCut because this is what I like to use. And I'm going to, okay, so now I'm going to just preview the ones that I want to pick. I always start off with their natural hair. I'm going to reselect another one. And then I'm going to select the last one. I had to rewatch like the content that I took, and I have to decide if I like it. Sometimes I end up doing both because I like to do one in regular video and the other one in cinematic mode. So my reels run around 20 to 40 seconds. 27 is like the average. Okay, so we're gonna do a new project, and I'm just gonna check mark the ones that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna, oh, sorry y'all. Okay, and I'm going to choose 4 videos. I like to mute the clip audio because I'm not going to use any audio in there. And I'm going to delete the CapCut watermark. And so we're coming up on 41 seconds, which is really long. My reels usually run about 20 seconds to 30 seconds. So I'm going to figure out how to chop this down. I might just have to delete one of the final videos. So here I go. I'm gonna add a text. Oops. And I like to always type before in capital letters and make it bigger. I put it up here. Then I change the font. And then we go down. For me, I like to use Vogue. I just feel like it looks really pretty for what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna copy this font and do the same thing over here. For the final results, I'm gonna type after because it's a before and after. I make this one a little bit bigger because the words are, or the letters are less than before. So boom. Now I copy this again and I tag my watermark because I feel like people don't give people enough credit. So if anyone comes across my work or, you know, and they like it, they can book me by realizing, oh, this person has their watermark on here. Or it's also just like a protective thing about work. You know, people can steal your work. So yeah, and then I usually like put the opacity a little lower so that you can like focus on the style. You can still see it for sure, but you know, I want you to focus on the style. So yeah, I watch it play and then I decide what I like. So I'm looking at the first clip, which is not cinematic mode. And it's going a little fast, but I think it's cute. I like the way that I stopped right here. And then we have cinematic mode. I think the best thing about cinematic mode to me is just that it's blurry, like in the background. So that wins me over sometimes. And I also like the way that I stopped. So, oh God. This is gonna be a little tough. So I'm gonna watch again and then I'm gonna watch it. It's 26 seconds now. That's like perfect. Okay, so I love it, and then I just save it. And now I'm getting in the hang of posting on the weekdays after 3 o'clock, because that's when people are getting off work, when people want to relax and scroll on Instagram. So yeah, it's 2:30. I'm gonna wait till about 3:30 to post this. In the meantime, I am going to take a minute to relax, and I am going to start editing this vlog. So yeah. I love to show y'all how sweaty I am right now. Like, it makes me feel like I'm working so hard. And I'm only working out for 25 minutes pretty much every time I work out from home. But when I go to Zumba on Saturday and Wednesday, I am working out for a full hour. So I'm not playing about this body. Y'all think I'm playing, but I'm really not. And yeah, so right now I'm gonna warm up some rice, or not warm it up, but like make some rice. And then I'm going to do some kale and mushrooms for my vegetables, and probably just like some bread for my meat, or not my meat, some bread. Maybe add turkey because I am kind of starving today. But yeah, I'm sweaty, y'all.